Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today is more of a update or a heads up kind of thing. Trespass are doing ferro rods on sale for £4, and I bought two. They're a good size ferro rod. You probably normally pay about something like this, probably about maybe £10 online or something like that, unless you buy cheap from China in bulk, whatever. Normal this is £8. We're gonna test it out now. I bought a few of these because I'm gonna make wooden handles on my lathe. So I figured I'd test it out for you guys. And then if you're short on ferro rods or you like projects, this might be a good pickup for you guys. So I bought one to use to show you guys. So let's have a quick demo of it. Right, so just comparison. That's my Trespass one. This is the one I normally use. So there is gonna be, this is like a £30 ferro rod though, to be fair. But just showing you a difference of my Hexy one. Now we're gonna use different strikers. Got a little bit of birch bark here. It's a bit wet though. I seem to have a little leak on this, so I'll have to sort that out another time. But we're gonna use different strikers. This is the Mad Dog one. So all I'm going to do is just rough this up a little bit. It still has coating on this. I'm just going to put that ferro rod there so it don't blow away. Still has a bit of coating on it. Looks alright. Spark wise, it looks good. That's good. That's impressed with that for £4. Let's just rip up some different stuff here. This is starting to rain again. This is some of that card Ferro. I can't forget how to say it, but some of that stuff. Let's just see. It's spark. They bounce. The good ones. So ignore the tinder. That's just more of a just target. But yeah, that's not bad, is it? Let's see. Right, I'll just do one more. I think you get the gist of it. We'll just do a dirty fire plug. Alright, so let's just see how far we can get those sparks. Okay, let's try another striker. Alright, try the Mad Dog. Right, so again, this is just a video in case you need some ferro rods for a project and you can't wait online ordering. Walk into your nearest Trespass, you pick it up. I mean, have a look to see. I didn't really eat up a lot of it either, and the sparks did bounce a little bit, which is good. But again, even if you're a beginner, I mean, this would be more suffice. You know, you don't have to go, you know, bit super like this. I just have a thing for ferro rods. I have loads of them. I like trying different ones out. Let me know what you guys think. Again, ferro rod on a budget. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoy my short videos as well. I'm putting loads of those out only because it's easy for me to do. Time wise, otherwise I can only film on the weekends. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.